look at the magnetic moment. All right, it's all nice and fun and whatever to get your numbers, right? But occasionally it's going to be even better to visualize it qualitatively rather than quantitatively, right? So for that, if you have VASPKIT installed, all you have to do is go over to Magnetic Analysis, option 62, and then Visualize Magnetic Moment Vectors with 629. Then it writes you the CIF file. You could export that to Vesta, excuse me. G copy magnetic moments. Copy that over from here. Drag it over to Vesta. Let's look at it from this point of view. There you go. And now you can see that the uranium atoms are going to be, let's give it a green, clover. Uranium atoms are going to be all ferromagnetic, right? Magnetic moments in the same direction. Your germanium atoms, we'll give them a carnation, have a pretty much no charge, as well as your rhodium atoms that will color in gray or nickel, also going to be no charge. So quick and easy way to give out your illustrations to represent things qualitatively rather than quantitatively.